Now let's go over the installation instructions, starting with the ingenious integrated rigid latch system. To begin, locate your vehicle's lower anchors. For vehicles with deeper anchors, Nuna provides a set of anchor guides to make it easier to find the latch anchors. You will then grab and rotate the rigid latch from their storage position on the car seat. The auto reclined foot will come down with the anchors. Then guide the rigid latches onto the lower anchor bars in the bite of the seat and push to connect. You will hear it audibly click into place. You can check for proper installation by making sure the indicators on the side of the rigid latches have turned from red to green. You will then pull at the connection to check for attachment. Lastly, make sure the blue level line is parallel to the ground outside the vehicle. To release the car seat from the vehicle seat, you will simply press the release button found on the back and gently pull. This car seat is super easy to attach and super easy to release. It really just comes off in seconds. How amazing is that? The European belt path is included for instances where latch is not available, such as use on an airplane or some middle seating positions in a vehicle. To begin, place the car seat on the vehicle seat and make sure the blue level line is parallel to the ground. Next, pull the vehicle seatbelt out and thread it through the seatbelt guide on the side of the car seat. Pull it through to the other seatbelt guide on the opposite side of the car seat and buckle it into place. For additional security, use the European belt path located on the back of the car seat. To use it, pull out the shoulder belt and pull it through the back of the car seat. Thread it through the European belt path and guide it around the car seat. Then, make sure the seatbelt is in locked mode. While pushing down on the child restraint, pull up on the shoulder belt to remove all the slack from the lap belt. Check for stability. The car seat should not move more than an inch from the seat. This car seat truly has a 2-second installation we know you're going to love.